When you search for the best gaming chairs under $100, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find out what really makes a difference in comfort and support, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Dowinx Gaming Chair. The Dowinx gaming chair caught my eye with its sleek design and the promise of comfort. Priced at $89.99, it's a solid choice if you want a chair that supports long hours of gaming without breaking the bank. If you want serious lumbar support for those marathon sessions, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Dowinx comes with a massage lumbar support feature, which is a lifesaver during those extended gaming or work sessions. This helps alleviate lower back pain, a common complaint among gamers. Plus, it has a spring cushion seat that won't flatten after a few weeks like some cheap chairs do. The chair also reclines up to 150 degrees, which is perfect for when you want to kick back and relax. With a heavy-duty build supporting up to 330 pounds, you can trust its stability. It boasts a rating of 4.5 stars from over 546 reviews, and 300+ people have bought it recently, indicating its popularity. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get through it, the comfort and support you get are totally worth the initial hassle. It's a chair that's built to last, making it a great investment for your setup. This is perfect for you if you spend long hours gaming or working and need good back support. Skip this one if you prefer a chair with a more minimalist design. For just under $90, it delivers great value. Now, if the assembly issues bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: GTPlayer Gaming Chair. Next up is the GTPlayer Gaming Chair, which is priced at $85.23. This chair grabbed my attention with its bestseller badge and promises of comfort. If you want a chair that balances style and support, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this chair stand out? It features a headrest and lumbar pillow that are designed to relieve neck and back fatigue during long gaming sessions. The chair's metal frame ensures stability and durability, which is important when you're gaming hard. Plus, it has a footrest to let you kick back and relax. This chair supports a weight of 300 pounds and has received 4.4 stars from 330 reviews, showing that many users appreciate its comfort and sturdiness. However, some users reported that the chair could feel a bit bulky. But honestly, if you need support and comfort for long hours, that bulk could actually add to the stability you're looking for. It's not a deal breaker, especially for those who appreciate a sturdy chair. This is perfect for you if you want a chair that feels secure and offers great back support, especially if you're a heavier gamer. Skip this one if you prefer a more lightweight option. At this price point, you're getting a solid deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize ergonomic design. Product number 3: Wotsda Gaming Chair. Now let's talk about the Wotsda Gaming Chair, priced at $81.21. This chair really impressed me with its ergonomic design and adjustable features. If you want a chair that adapts to your body, this is definitely worth checking out. The ergonomic design is crafted to support your natural body curve, which is essential for those long gaming sessions. It comes with an adjustable headrest and lumbar massage pillow, targeting key pressure points to keep you comfortable. Plus, it reclines from 90 to 135 degrees, allowing you to find your perfect angle whether you're gaming or just chilling. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a rating of 4.5 stars from 504 reviews, it's clear that users are loving this one. However, some users mentioned that the chair could be a bit tricky to assemble. But honestly, once it's set up, the comfort you get is worth the effort. It's designed for hours of use, making it a great choice for serious gamers. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable chair that supports long hours of gaming or working. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with any assembly difficulties. For under $82, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, if a bit of assembly bothers you, the next one might be your go-to solution for comfort without the hassle. Product number 4: Sukida Gaming Chair. Next on the list is the Sukida gaming chair, which is priced at $69.99. I was genuinely surprised at how much comfort this chair offers for the price. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on support, this is worth a look. The thickened and widened cushion is designed with pocket springs and shaped foam, providing a level of comfort similar to a sofa. It also features an adjustable backrest that can recline from 90 to 135 degrees, making it versatile for gaming or napping. The massage lumbar cushion helps relieve fatigue, which is key if you're spending hours in front of a screen. With over 1,300 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that people are satisfied with their purchase. Some users have said that the chair's materials feel a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you're getting a lot more comfort than you'd expect. It's a great starter chair for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and still want decent support. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end, premium feel. At under $70, it's a steal. Alright, now if you need a bit more space and comfort, the next chair on my list is designed just for you. Product number 5, Dlin Gaming Chair. Finally, we have the Dlin Gaming Chair, priced at $93.97. This chair is built for those who need a bit more room and comfort. If you're a bigger individual or just want more space while gaming, this is worth considering. This chair features breathable leather seat cushions designed for long-lasting comfort with reinforced stitching. The ergonomic design includes a padded headrest and massage lumbar support, which can help reduce neck and back fatigue. With a weight capacity of 300 pounds and a solid 4.3-star rating from 842 reviews, it's clear this chair is well received. However, some users have commented that it can take a bit longer to assemble compared to others. But honestly, the comfort and support you get make up for the extra time spent putting it together. It's designed to last, which justifies the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a spacious chair that accommodates larger frames. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact option. At just under $94, it's a good investment for serious gamers or anyone needing extra support. So there you have it. The Dowinx gaming chair for lumbar support, the GTPlayer for stability, the Wotsda for ergonomic design, the Sukida for budget comfort, and the Dlin for spacious seating. Each of these chairs brings something unique to the table, so your choice really depends on what you prioritize. Whatever you choose, these options under $100 offer great value for any gamer.